Have you ever touched a cloud? Imagine if clouds could jump. In the depths of Cambodia, a discovery just as fantastical has come to light. Deep within the heart of Cambodia's wilderness, where the trees arch high enough to touch the sky, a group of explorers stumbled upon something extraordinary. Nestled in the lush, dense underbrush, they found creatures unlike any recorded in modern science. Fluffy, cotton-like beings that leapt into the air with a surprising sprightliness when touched. The scene was almost magical. As the explorers navigated the verdant, uncharted paths, their hands brushed against what appeared to be ordinary tufts of cotton. But to their astonishment, these tufts sprang away, fluttering through the air like startled birds. The team watched in awe, their initial reactions a mix of disbelief and wonder. In this remote, untouched part of the world, these peculiar beings spark a myriad of questions. What could these creatures be, and how do they survive in such secluded environments? The journey to discovery is often as intriguing as the discovery itself. In the verdant heart of Cambodia, an exploration team ventured into one of the least trodden parts of the wilderness. With a mission to catalog the region's flora and fauna, their trek was laden with the anticipation of unearthing something extraordinary. As they navigated through dense foliage and across trickling streams, their surroundings whispered secrets of the natural world, untouched by the hustle of modern life. The environment itself was a mosaic of vibrant greens and earthy browns, a humid canvas where sunlight barely touched the forest floor. Here, amidst towering trees and under a canopy teeming with life, the air buzzed with the calls of distant wildlife. The specific location, a secluded spot near a serene river bend, was chosen for its relative isolation and the richness of its biodiversity. It was here, in this cradle of nature, that the team stumbled upon something truly remarkable. As one of the researchers brushed against what appeared to be a cluster of small, fluffy cotton balls, nestled on a low-hanging branch, the unexpected happened. These seemingly inanimate objects suddenly sprang into the air, scattering in all directions. The team froze, a mix of astonishment and delight painted on their faces. These were not mere plant fibers as one might have guessed, but living creatures, delicate and ethereal. The first interaction was brief, as the creatures, sensitive to touch, leapt away with a surprising agility. But it was enough for the team to realize they had discovered something unique. These creatures, with their cotton-like appearance, exhibited a behavior never before documented in the scientific community. The initial theory was that this could be a form of defense mechanism, a way to escape predators by exploiting the element of surprise. This unexpected encounter opens a new chapter in the understanding of Cambodia's rich biodiversity. The discovery not only highlights the wonders of evolutionary adaptation, but also underscores the endless mysteries waiting to be uncovered in the natural world. At first glance, they seem like tufts of cotton scattered on the forest floor. This initial impression, however, barely scratches the surface of the fascinating nature of these newly discovered creatures in the Cambodian wilderness. Let's delve into the physical and behavioral characteristics that make these creatures truly remarkable. The size of these cotton-like creatures is akin to that of a small apple, making them noticeable yet unobtrusive as they blend seamlessly with their surroundings. Their texture is particularly striking, soft and fluffy, much like cotton, or perhaps more accurately, like the dandelion fluff that floats away on a gentle breeze. This texture is not just for show. It serves as a crucial adaptation for survival, camouflaging them amongst the leaf litter and fallen branches of the forest floor. In terms of color, they exhibit a pristine white hue, with hints of pale gray that can change subtly with the shifting light. This coloration, combined with their fluffy texture, makes them almost indistinguishable from bits of cotton or small patches of mold at a casual glance. Comparatively, these creatures might remind one of the woolly bear caterpillar found in various parts of North America, but with more sophisticated camouflage capabilities. However, the most astounding feature of these creatures is not their appearance, but their behavior upon contact. When touched, these creatures exhibit a remarkable defensive mechanism. They can jump several inches into the air. This sudden leap is not just for show. It is a survival tactic to startle predators and escape potential threats. The mechanism behind this jump is still under study, but it appears to involve a sudden release of energy stored in specialized cells, akin to the springing action of a trap. This unique jumping behavior, coupled with their distinctive appearance, makes these creatures a subject of great interest and curiosity. Their ability to blend into their environment so effectively, yet spring into action so dramatically, poses fascinating questions about their evolutionary history and the specific pressures that shaped such unique adaptations. These creatures are not just unique in appearance, but hold a peculiar behavior that distinguishes them from any other known species. Every creature has its secrets. Let's uncover how these cotton-like beings live. Nestled in the lush, verdant undergrowth of Cambodia's forests, these fascinating creatures exhibit unique behaviors that are a spectacle to behold. They are primarily active during the cooler hours of dawn and dusk, avoiding the midday heat, which can be quite intense in their tropical habitat. What do these cotton-like creatures feast on, you might wonder? Their diet is as intriguing as their appearance. They primarily consume small insects and dew-covered leaves, which provide them with the necessary hydration and nutrition. The moisture-laden environment of the Cambodian forest is perfect for such a diet, as the foliage is often wet with morning dew or after a rain shower. Predators of these delicate beings include various birds and small mammals, which find their soft, cottony exterior an easy target. To evade these threats, the creatures have developed an extraordinary defense mechanism. Upon the slightest touch or disturbance, they perform what could be described as a jump, a sudden, spring-like motion that propels them into the air, confusing their potential predators and giving them a chance to escape. Interactions with their environment are equally fascinating. These creatures are not just passive inhabitants, but play a crucial role in the ecosystem. As they move from plant to plant consuming pests, they aid in the natural pest control process, which is vital for the health of the forest. Additionally, their movements through the foliage help in the pollination of several plant species, contributing to the biodiversity of their habitat. The habitat itself, a dense forest with high humidity and moderate temperatures, is crucial for their survival. The thick canopy provides necessary shade and moisture, while the forest floor offers an abundance of food resources and hiding spots from predators. Understanding their behavior and habitat helps us appreciate the delicate balance of nature they're part of. Every new discovery carries new responsibilities. In the depths of the Cambodian wilderness, where the newly discovered cotton-like creatures spring into the air upon the slightest touch, there lies a complex ecosystem, delicately balanced and richly interconnected. These creatures, though small and seemingly inconspicuous, may play a significant role in the ecological tapestry of their habitat. Firstly, the diet of these creatures could be crucial in controlling the population of smaller insects or decomposing organic matter, thus maintaining the soil quality and forest health. By consuming pests, they help protect plant life, which is fundamental to the forest's ability to capture carbon dioxide, thus contributing to climate regulation. Moreover, these cotton-like creatures could be a vital part of the food chain, serving as prey for a variety of birds and small mammals. Their presence therefore supports the survival and health of higher predators, maintaining the balance within the ecosystem. However, the unique nature of their habitat, nestled in one of the world's most lush yet vulnerable environments, places these creatures at significant risk. The dual threats of deforestation for agricultural expansion and the illegal wildlife trade can quickly erode their numbers. Climate change, bringing unpredictable weather patterns and altering landscapes, further complicates their survival prospects. Conservation efforts are essential and must be swift and robust. Protecting the habitats of these creatures not only benefits them but also countless other species that share their environment. Establishing protected areas and enforcing strict anti-poaching laws could be immediate steps towards safeguarding these fascinating beings. Moreover, integrating local communities into conservation efforts by promoting ecotourism and educational programs can help generate the necessary support and resources for these initiatives. People must understand the value of preserving not just these creatures, but the entire ecosystem. Protecting these creatures is not just about preserving a curiosity, but safeguarding an entire ecosystem. The discovery of these cotton-like creatures is just the beginning. Nestled deep within the Cambodian wilderness, these enigmatic beings have captivated our curiosity with their unique ability to jump when touched. Their delicate, cotton-like appearance belies a robust biological framework, one that has adapted remarkably to their secluded environment. Throughout our exploration, we've delved into their intriguing characteristics and behaviors. These creatures not only exhibit fascinating jumping mechanisms, but also play a potentially crucial role within their habitat. Yet, so much remains unknown. The ecological significance of these creatures is still a puzzle. pieced together slowly through careful study and observation. As we look to the future, the importance of continued research cannot be overstated. Investigating these creatures further could unlock new understandings in biology, ecology, and even inspire biomimetic designs in technology. The potential benefits to science and conservation are immense. As we continue to peel back the layers of this mystery, who knows what other secrets nature has waiting for us?